For our problem number 3. From the given cross-section of an earthworks between station 20 plus 200 and station 20 plus 220, assuming both have the same side slope and width of a base. So pwede ring side slope ito guys. No? Yun, ang tinutukoy lang din dito ay yung slope ng side. Okay? So same lang daw yung slope sa side and width of base. So compute the width of the base and compute the value of x at station 20 plus 220 if it has an area of 16.82 and compute the volume between stations with prismoidal correction. Okay? So this will now be our formula, our solution. Okay, dito muna tayo sa station 20 plus 200. Let's solve for the value of the width of the base. So kung i-draw natin ito siya. So una, 0, nasa gitna yan, may taas tayong 200 at 2. So let's say yung 2 ay nandito. Then yung width ng road natin, so let's say ito siya. Iba paghahatian lang naman nila yon. So let's say this one ay b over 2. This one ay b over 2. Next, sa left side, 6.6. So let's say yung 6.6 ay nandito. May taas na 2.4. So yung 2.4, let's say nandito, mas mataas sa 2. Next, 4.8. So let's say yung 4.8 nandito. 1.2. May taas na 1.2. Okay, so let's connect. Okay, ito na yung road natin. So, tatapyasan ulit natin ito. So, sabi natin, same lang yung ating side slope. Paano na nga ba natin, ano na nga bang ibig sabihin natin kapag sinabi nating slope? This will be our solution. Diba? Kapag sinabi nating slope, going back from your analytic geometry, diba yan ay rise over run? Ibig sabihin, yung slope sa left side, same lang siya sa slope sa right side kasi given naman, sinabi dito. So una, kunin muna natin ito. Ano na yung width na ito, guys? Kung 6.6 ito, ma-minus ko na lang yung b over 2, guys, no? So this will become 6.6 minus b over 2. Ganun din ito. So this is 4.8 minus b over 2. Okay? Bakit ko kinuha yan? Kasi sabi natin na yung side slope lang dito ay the same lang. So therefore, pwede nating magamit yon to get the value of the width of the base. Okay, una, dito muna tayo sa left side. Yung slope dyan ay rise over run. So mayroon tayong rise papataas. Meron tayong run na horizontal. Okay, una, yung rise natin, we have 2.4. Yung run natin, yung base, actually, that is 6.6 minus b over 2 is equal to, same lang daw sa kabilang side. So, una, yung rise natin, 1.2. Yung run, we have 4.8 minus b over 2. Okay? So, cross-multiply natin. Kapag sinif-solve nyo ito guys, matagal to kasi yung denominator natin, yung unknown natin nasa denominator, tapos naka-fraction pa siya. So matagal yan. So para mas mabilis, i-cross-multiply muna natin to. Mapupunta yung unknown natin sa numerator. Okay, so this will become 2.4, 4.8 minus b over 2 is equal to 1.2. 6.6 minus b over 2. So mas mabilis na to kapag sinif-solve ninyo. Therefore, the width of the base will now be equivalent to 6 meters. And this is now our answer. Okay? So ganyan lang. Nakuha na natin yung width of the base. Pangalawa, compute the value of x at station 20 plus 220. So ito yon. So bago tayo mag-proceed, kunin na muna natin yung area dito. Solve muna natin yung area. So area 1. Ito yon. So alam naman na natin na 3 ito guys, no? 3 to, 3 meters to, 3 meters na din sa kabila kasi 6 meters na eh. So una, yung area 1 ay yung first section. Area 1 will be 1/2. Yung base niya ay 3. Yung height niya ay 2.4. Next, last. 1/2. Base niya ay 2. Height niya ay 6.6. Kung gaano kahaba to, itong triangle na to. Plus, ito naman, yung base na to 1/2, 2 pa rin. Height niya ay 4.8. Kung gaano kahaba ito. And last one, 1/2 base, we have 3. Height niya ay 1.2. And finally, our area 1 will be equivalent now to 16.8 square meters. Okay, meron na tayong area 1. Next, kunin muna natin yung x kasi yun yung tinatanong sa area sa point B or sa requirement B. So ito yung ating station 20 plus 220. So i-draw muna natin to. So 0 sa gitna. X. So let's say yung x nandito. Pangalawa, 6.3, 2.2. So let's say 6.3 nandito. 2.2, let's say mas mataas siya. Kahit ano naman yung assumption niyo dito, same lang yung magiging sagot. Kahit mas mataas siya kaysa x or mas mababa, okay lang. Next, 7.2. So let's say 7.2 nandito. And 2.8. So let's say nandito si 2.8. So i-connect lang natin ito. Yan. Okay? Yung x pala, I should say. So yung area daw dito ay 16.82 guys, no? which is equivalent to una, 1/2. Ito muna, base 3. Height, we have 2.2. Plus, pangalawa, 1/2 yung triangle na to. Base niya ay x. Height niya ay 6.3. Then, plus, ito naman na triangle, 1/2. Base niya ay x pa rin. Height niya ay 7.2. Plus, 1/2. Yung triangle naman na to, base niya ay 3. Height niya ay 2.8. Therefore, our x, or the value of x, will now be equivalent to 1.3807 meters. This is now our answer. Next, solve natin yung area, I mean volume with prismoidal correction. Compute the volume between stations with prismoidal correction. So, ibig sabihin, volume ng end area muna, then kunin muna natin yung volume ng prismoidal correction. For our C, volume is equal to volume by end area with prismoidal correction. So, ito yung tinutukoy niya. So, yung L muna natin, solve muna natin. L, we have 20 plus 220, 20 plus 200. 20 minus 20, or that is equivalent to 20 meters. Okay. So, volume by end area. Area 1 plus area 2 over 2 times L. So, yung area 1 natin, nakuha na natin yan kanina, 16.8. Area 2, ito na yung gamitin natin. So, given na 16.82. Times L, we have 20 meters. So, yung volume by end area, so that is equivalent to 336.2 cubic meter. Then next, solve for the volume with prismoidal correction. L over 12, C1 minus C2, D1 minus D2. Okay, yung L natin, we have 20 over 12. Yung C1 muna natin. Yung C1, D1 muna ito. D1, we have 6.6 plus 4.8, no? That is equivalent to 11.4 meters. Yung C1 naman natin, we have 2 meters. Next, dito naman tayo, D2. So that is 6.3 plus 7.2. So that is equivalent to 13.5. And for C2, simply yung X mismo, 1.3807. Okay? So yes, balik na tayo dito. C1, we have 2 minus 1.3807 yung C2. D1, 11.4 minus D2, we have 13.5. So yung volume natin by prismoidal correction. So magne-negative ito guys, no? So this will become negative 2.1676 cubic meter. So kapag ang tinatanong lang is volume, just disregard the sign. Pero dahil kailangan natin to sa formula, just copy the negative sign. So therefore, the volume with prismoidal formula, with prismoidal correction, I should say, so 336.2 minus ito, kopyahin ko to, negative 2.1676. Therefore, the volume will now be equivalent to 338.3676 cubic meter. And this is now our answer.